First of all, I'd like to talk about the fact that the Regulation of Taxation of Marijuana Act called for the regulatory agency to begin taking applications in December of 2019. It seems as though that with the implementation of these rules that the regulatory agency is going to be able to do so perhaps a bit earlier. How is that important to your agency and perhaps to the industry?
Well, I think we had the goal all along of trying to leverage the infrastructure we had in place so we could do it more quickly. The idea being that the sooner the regulated market takes shape and can provide access for consumers, the more we can combat the black market and drive consumers into the regulated market. And with the way the Act is set up and the opt-out provision for municipalities, we knew that they were going to need quite a bit of time after we promulgated the rules to determine how they wanted to approach it in their local jurisdiction. So this gives us time now that we've implemented these in July. We're going to start taking applications in November. They have about 4 months to look at the rules and figure out how they want to address it locally, and then we can still take applications before that deadline.
You are very right in that a lot of municipalities have been waiting for these rules to be enacted in order for them to be able to take the steps necessary for them to participate. We see that a lot at our law firm. A lot of cities are like, no, we're going to wait and see. Now they see exactly what's available, and they're allowed to form their ordinances in accordance with the rules. And so you're absolutely right about that. With respect to these rules, I know that a lot of people have had the opportunity to and are probably reading everything word for word right now as we have already. And some of the most important and exciting things in there, and I mean exciting, this is like really like kind of a roadmap of how we're going to see our industry kind of play out within the next few years.